Are you looking for the best camping cots? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best camping cots on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. NAIZEA Folding Camping Cot. The Nizea is a quality camping cot, but it has similar features to other brands making the same type of camping cot. What separates this one from others is the sheer amount of options you can choose from. Side sleepers will be pleased browsing through multiple mattress options like a pearl cotton pad, corduroy cotton pad, and 4D air pad. The pad is about 3 in height, so it provides extra comfort for your shoulders and hips when laying down for the night. There are 4 belts that run along the underside of the cot that help to keep the sleeping surface from sagging. This should help your body from contorting to weird positions as you sleep. The Nizea is a lightweight cot that folds up easily and has its own carrying bag, but the only problem is the pad attachment won't fit in the bag with the cot, so you'll have to carry it separately. It's versatile, so you can use it for car camping or for traveling to your site. The abundance of pad choices combined with the smart design build keeps the Nizea at the top of the list for best camping cots for side sleepers. You can use the button below to see where the price is right now. At number 2. Coleman Camping Cot, Air Mattress, and Pump Combo. Get a restoring night's rest as a side sleeper with the impressive Coleman Camping Cot, Air Mattress, and Pump Combo. The large frame holds it up on uneven camping grounds, and it's tall enough for you to store gear underneath, removing the challenge when getting in and out of bed. The most comforting part of the Coleman Camping Cot is the large queen-sized air mattress that comes with a durable cover. You can bring a big blanket or use your sleeping bag to get a great night's rest. It's essentially a double camping cot you can use on your own with your partner. You can blow it up easily using the battery-operated pump that comes with your cot. 2 extendable side tables come out on either side of the Coleman Camping Cot with built-in cup holders. The tables are small and don't have much support, but being able to set your valuables right next to you at the end of a long camping day makes outdoor life just a little easier. The biggest worry, and this goes for every double-sized camping cot, is the metal bar that runs through the middle of the cot. With the included thick air mattress, you won't even know it's there on your next camping trip. At number 3. RedCamp Folding Camping Cots Extra Wide. Although the RedCamp Extra Wide Camping Cot doesn't come with an extra mattress pad, the double-layer polyester fabric is sturdy enough to keep you supported all through the night. You could even add a sleeping pad if you wanted to get more padded protection. The extra wide build provides a perfect camping cot for side sleepers who toss and turn. And the thicker elliptical-shaped tubes provide more stability that holds up to 500 pounds even though it's a lightweight cot weighing in at only 17 pounds. Because it's one of those portable folding cots, you'll be able to get everything set up within about 10 seconds. The easy one-piece frame allows you to unfold easily from the carrying case. The side organizational pocket is convenient to throw your small valuables inside like your phone or wallet. Even though a camping mattress doesn't come with the extra wide model, you can still purchase one separately for extra comfort on your shoulder and hip points. The only real issue with this cot for side sleepers is the noise it makes when you move around. The fabric rubs against the frame and can be too much for some campers. But the RedCamp can be considered one of the more durable and high-quality cots for side sleepers on the market. At number 4. Aboron Camping Cots. The Aboron Camping Cot is a lot like the Nizea at the top of this list. It has similar camping cot features like the 4 reinforcement belts on the underside of the fabric to keep it from sagging. It also has multiple mattress pad options that lay on top of the fabric to give you some extra padded comfort. This is the extra wide option at 2/8, so your elbows and knees won't stick out when you're on your side as it would for the 2/6 option. This specific type of cot doesn't fold up as small as others, so you don't get a convenient bag to carry with you. You'll have to carry it like a foldable lawn chair. The Aboron isn't quite as portable as the other options on this list, but it is just as comfortable when sleeping in the outdoors.